Alright, I never expected Pi Network would ever get this popular. Now Pi is at 8 million engaged pioneers. I have multiple blocks of information regarding Pi Network, so make sure to watch this video till the end as I will cover all of it very quickly. And also do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto related news and information on a regular basis. So the first thing is that the figures that have emerged from the in-app marketplace transactions are absolutely mind-blowing. But ultimately we must temper our expectations as we cannot know the actual value of Pi Network until it reaches the mainnet. At that point it will be available on exchanges and users will be able to trade it. But for now we can look at the data available and speculate. So this is a spreadsheet and compilation of data, and this graph predicts the value of Pi based upon transactions placed in the period using a Perlin noise generation seed, which is an algorithm of $10 and assuming positive growth. We are talking high amounts here, at one point even hitting $100 per Pi and leveling off at around $85 per Pi. These are huge numbers and were nowhere near what I could ever have predicted when I first started looking at Pi. My initial price prediction was about $1 each. But to manage our expectations, we should note that these transactions are from Pi Network enthusiasts who were invited into the in-app marketplace beta. I would expect them to have a higher speculated value of Pi. However, the figures shown here give the most up-to-date statistics I could find from the in-app marketplace. The estimates are that over 2 billion Pi has been mined. We have received no updates recently regarding the number of new users. So while these transactions below are outdated, I believe the more reserved estimate of $10 per Pi which they showed back in April is more likely to hold. So can Pi reach $100 each? The Pi Lifestyle Discord is owned and managed by the user named the Crypto Legend. The Discord is well known in the Pi Network space and has a powerful sense of community. The reason I bring up this Discord is that they have done something very interesting with Pi. They have decided that the value of Pi is $100. They organize transactions within the Discord app and they have a vetting process for new users. They have a list of over 300 recorded transactions on the Discord, and these include both goods and services of all shapes and sizes. If Pi Network turns out to be worth $100 each, I'll be rich, so I can't complain about that. Even if I'm not completely on board with this price, it is notable that other users will see Pi being traded at $100 per Pi on the marketplace and they may follow the buzz. Unfortunately, there is nothing to back up this proposed value aside from estimates of availability and supply in the market. It is unclear how the precedent of $100 will hold up under the weight of the mainnet release. But here is another news. Implications of the Pi App Store. Pi Network is working on a Pi App Store which will enable users to spend their Pi seamlessly. I hope to see apps from the Play Store with fiat cost making appearances. This would be a bizarre as it would be Pi Network themselves making a statement on how much Pi is worth. For example, Minecraft is 6.99 euros on the Play Store. If the Pi App Store has the same app for 0.5 Pi, then they would be suggesting Pi is worth 13.98 euros each. I'm not sure how they intend to get around this. It is possible they only intend to provide apps and dApps which are created by its own users. With little to no documentation available right now concerning this, we shall have to wait and see. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you liked this information. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and who knows, Pi could be $100 each when the mainnet releases. So yeah, we can only cross our fingers and just hope we benefit as much as we can when the mainnet releases. So yeah, that's all for this, guys. And if you wanna know more about crypto market, be aware of what is going on in the cryptocurrency market on a daily basis, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll post regularly. If you guys support me and like my content, I'll post on a regular basis with hard work, with all my passion. So I insist you to subscribe to this channel and like this video. So yeah, that's all guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.